Population distribution refers to the spatial arrangement or pattern of where people live within a particular area, region, or country. It involves examining the density and dispersion of population across different geographic areas. Population density, on the other hand, specifically measures the number of people living in a given area, usually expressed as the number of individuals per square kilometer or square mile. Here's how to analyze population density maps. Understanding population density. Population density maps depict the concentration of people in various geographic areas. Higher population densities are typically observed in urban areas, where large numbers of people reside in relatively small areas, while lower densities are found in rural or remote regions with fewer inhabitants. Interpreting population density maps. Examine the legend or color scale provided on the map to understand the range of population density values represented. Identify areas of high population density, typically indicated by darker or more intense colors on the map. Conversely, lighter or less intense colors represent areas of lower population density. Look for patterns and trends in population distribution across different geographic regions, such as urban centers, suburban areas, rural landscapes, and remote regions. Analyzing spatial patterns. Identify clusters or concentrations of high population density, such as urban agglomerations, metropolitan areas, or densely populated neighborhoods within cities. Note any spatial variations or disparities in population density between regions, counties, or administrative units. Pay attention to factors influencing population distribution, such as proximity to resources, economic opportunities, transportation networks, and natural features, e.g., coastlines, rivers, mountains. Comparative analysis. Compare population density maps over time to assess changes in population distribution and urbanization trends. Analyze population density maps across different regions or countries to identify variations in settlement patterns, urbanization rates, and demographic trends. Consider overlaying population density maps with other thematic maps, such as land use, transportation infrastructure, or socioeconomic indicators, to explore relationships and correlations. Informing policy and planning. Population density maps provide valuable insights for urban planning, infrastructure development, resource allocation, and emergency preparedness. Use population density data to assess service provision needs, plan transportation networks, allocate housing and public amenities, and address social and environmental challenges. By analyzing population density maps, policymakers, planners, and researchers can better understand population distribution patterns and make informed decisions to support sustainable development, resource management, and quality of life for communities.